In this video, you will learn how to create a new tune in a matter of minutes using ForzaTune 7. We are starting with an upgraded but untuned 1998 Silvia. It has race brakes, suspension, roll bars, and differential. So creating a new tune will rebalance everything and get the most from these upgrades. Now on the left here, you want to select New Tune from within the app. First, enter the make and model, since each tune is unique to the car that you select. Then you want to enter a few more details about the car. You can find them in My Garage by pressing the Y button to toggle to the right view. But it's usually more convenient to get this information when viewing an upgrade in the upgrade menu like you see here. Okay, now we enter the weight, which is actually about 224 pounds less than stock. And the front weight's 53%, which is a little less too, and the performance index is 500. Well, let's build this tune for Maple Valley. ForzaTune 7 automatically adjusts stiffness and ride height to the track's surface. And we'll stick with the standard tune and no gearing. You only want to change the gears if you make cam, turbo, or supercharger type upgrades, or if you swap in a different engine. We click Next to view the tune results. Then we can copy them into the tuning menu in Forza 7. Tires will vary from class to class, as will camber, and toe is usually set at 0, and we have an increase in caster. Front roll bars are 13.9, and get as close as you can to the values when entering them in the game menu. Rear are 11.9, and front springs are about 441, with the rears at 423.8. For ride height, start with the selector all the way to the left, then count out 4 clicks to the right. One of the advantages of ForzaTune is we make sure everything works together. So here we set the dampers, which are calculated to match the springs. The same thing applies to roll bars and the other settings. All of them are working together for a nice, stable tune. This is much easier to do with ForzaTune as opposed to trial and error. We also make some small adjustments to braking and the differential. Alright, now let's take it for a spin. I'll do a lap to warm up the tires. This is very important to get a true feel for the tune. Alright, now with tires mostly up to temperature, let's see what kind of time we can put down over the next 2 laps. What I like most is this setup lets me get on the throttle much earlier on turn exit. And as you can see here, it keeps its composure through this bumpy turn. And here's another example. In this one set of turns, I'm able to keep throttle at 100% through all of them. It's really hard to show in a video how nice these tunes will feel. After this short test and tune session, the best time was a little over 1 minute 47 seconds, which was a top 1% time. That's top 50 in the Americas and top 130 overall for a pretty basic build in a car that really isn't at the top of these leaderboards. Now that you've seen how easy it is to tune with ForzaTune 7, be sure to pick up your copy. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play. You can also visit ForzaTune.com or watch some of our other videos to get more information.